Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Use the included connecting bar to connect the right and left sled base. Attach the connecting bar to the base frames using the included sled base screws. Place the seat cushion upside down on top of the backrest as shown here. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Start by connecting one armrest to your backrest. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Then, connect the armrest to the seat cushion. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Secure the backrest onto the seat cushion with M830 L-bar screws. Place the seat cushion under the frame. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws. Now firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. Place the caps into the screw holes. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.